Hey guys, I'm HB and this is Dr. Pink, and we together are here to heal your timing problems in blues or any swing or shuffle situation, because there the 2-4 feel is really the main part of all. Yeah, but before we get started, make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification button, and please also join the HPCrazy Guitar Academy with a free membership to just join the discussions, or the premium membership upgrade to download all files which come along with all lessons, it's and to support the work I'm doing for you. So what is a 2-4 feel? This. Hear that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. I created a track here like a normal drum, a bass, and add a click on 2 and 4. And this track shall help you to really improve your 2-4 feel. So what is a 2-4 feel? The 2-4 feel is that when you count, when you play, that your foot makes 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. That's the first exercise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. You count and you hit the foot. You don't see my foot here. I didn't install a second camera. It's clear. The foot has been 2 and 4. And first thing is just 1, 2 to get this feel. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you can start to add notes on 1, on 2, on 3 and 4, whatever. And the main mistake which happens that your foot turns. I mean, I've teaching experience for I don't know many years. And the main thing which is the problem for students is that the foot suddenly starts to flatter and then switches to 1-3. Even you think you're on 2-4, you switch to 1-3, and that should not happen. And if you play anything in 2-4 feel, you swing way more, you're more groovy, you're more into the music, It's really important. That's, for me personally, it's the main thing, to have a really cool articulation and cool phrasing in blues or swing or shuffle, 1, 2, 3. I always play with foot 2-4, even when I play solo, I have foot 2-4. So first exercise, 1, 2, 3, 4, count and have the foot 2-4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Then the second one, let me quickly put this here. Take a metronome. That's it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Then take it with your foot and then just try to play a note, 1, 1, the 1, I'll show you again. 1, that's a click, metronome. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Now then 2, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. You switch between 1, 3 and on beat, and just try to go with that, And then in a track it will sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can switch around the beats as you like. On 1 and 2, always make 2, on a 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 2, 2, 3, whatever you want, and really practice it this way. Let me switch the click back on. And first, but just with one note that you really can concentrate to stay in the beat. And if you feel more comfortable, you can start to improvise like this, if you want. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. See what I mean? That will be the goal at the end. But first, you really do this exercise which I show you now, just on the beat. Then the second exercise you can do is play shuffled 8. So 1 and 2, 3, 4. Again, metronome. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 1, 2 and 3, and then play the 2 shuffled 8s either on 1 end, 2 end, 3 end, or 4 end. I'm going to show you. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 1, 2 and 3, 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 and if you're able to do this and go throw with a foot on 2/4, you're ready to go. Now you mix this up. As an example, I have a few little exercises here for you. Now we play a note on the 1, and on 3 we play 2 shuffled 8s, and then on 1 again. That will be something like this. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 1, 2. Always with foot and 2/4. You don't see it here, but it always has to be in sync with the metronome. Once you feel more comfortable, switch on, go into the music. 1, 2, 3. See, now it's groovy. And it's so cool. I just play one note, but it grooves. That's what it's all about. Let's do now 1 and 3 end, 1 and 3 end, and then the second bar we do 2 end and 4. So that will be 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 1, 2, and 3, 4. That will be something like this. Now with the metronome. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 1, 2, and 3, 4. Now with the band. See how even I'm just playing one note, it grooves because you're staying in the vibe, you know. At the end, at the beginning, when you practice this stuff, you always need to count. If you don't, to control what you're doing, at the end you don't count anymore. You just get into the flow of the 2 and 4, and you start grooving. You start making cool stuff, you know, like who knows. And always stay in the 2/4 groove. 1. And remember, guys, I mean, I played uncomplicated stuff just to show where it leads to. But if you don't know the basics, you cannot get into this vibe, you know. Many students always think they have to want to play fast, bebop, but that's the wrong way. First is the groove. First is the 2/4 feel. You build upon the 2/4 feel, and then you build more. So today's only basics. Just quarter notes, shuffled 8s, and also we do syncopations. As an example, 1 and 2 ends. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 1, 2, and 3, and 1. That's the most common syncopization, the 2 and 1 and 2 end, or 1 and 4 end. So 1, so let's do the 4 and 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. And with foot and 2/4, it looks way easier than it is if you've never done it before. Let's do it with the metronome. 1, 2, first 1 and 2 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2 and 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 and 3, 4. Now 1 and 2 and 4 and. Now first 1 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1. Now let's do 1, 2 and then 4 and. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 1. It's really cool. Now I'm gonna mix it up now. An example. The previous things now with the new stuff. That will be line 3 of this thing here. Oh, just stopped. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2 and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3 and 4. If you're able to really shuffle the 3 elements which I show now on beat, shuffled 8s and syncopation on 2 and 4 end, then you're pretty cool to go, you know. Once you can do that, you can go try to just play easy going with that stuff and start to improvise. And first only do one note till you feel really secure, and then start to improvise with this. And so on. You know what I mean, guys? If you're really comfortable in this flow of 2/4 feel gives you more power, more relaxation in your playing, that you can go further and you're going to be really good and convincing in what you're doing. Once again, the main thing is not to play complicated. The main thing is to stay in the 2/4 feel. Once you're comfortable in that, the cool stuff happens just like this, because this creates more flow for you, you know. And that's really I would say this is really a must-have exercise here. That's the main part of playing a cool, relaxed, laid-back, soloing on mid-tempo blues, swing or shuffle, whatever. It's all the same. It's all on 2/4. And when you listen to drummers, they always do the 2/4. You know, one. Also, here. Let's do the snare. Wait, let me quickly switch off. Here. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's not so exclusive here, but that's the main thing, how things groove. Yo, that's about this. These are really basics. Try to do the exercise, even if you're an experienced player. You cannot underestimate this exercise here. It's a must-have, a serious must-have. 2/4. When my teacher came up with this, it took me 1-2 months with a lot of practicing till I got really comfortable in the 2/4 feel. And I practice only with metronome. You can do it only with metronome over the backing track. Here are the exercises. You can download the material in the HPCrazy Guitar Academy. Please also join there anyway and support the work, what I'm doing for you, with a donation or a subscription. It will be really cool, because me and Dr. Pink are always hungry. Yeah. As I said, this is the most important exercise on groove from my point of view, in shuffle, blues, swing, whatever, jazz, 2/4. The 2/4 feel that this is automatism. You know, your whole system needs to adapt or needs to integrate the 2/4 feeling of your foot, and the whole playing has to be in this vibe, in this flow, and then you start to be really groovy. Yo, that's all I wanted to say. Please share my channel to all your pals and friends. Help me to grow. to really build a really cool guitar community, because me and Dr. Pink gonna be there for you guys and help you to really explore the world of guitar playing, and we really enjoy doing that. I'm gonna play a last sequence at the end in just the way I would do it without the exercises, to show you how you get into coolness and relaxation of this, and then you can start to really be creative.